Understanding Throwing Stars, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, throwing stars. This expression isn't just about literal stars or throwing. It's packed with meaning and is commonly used in various contexts. So, let's unravel its mystery together. Before we delve into our specific phrase, let's understand what idioms are. Idioms are phrases where the words together have a meaning that's different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. They add color and cultural richness to the language. Remember, idioms often don't make sense literally. Now, let's break down the literal meaning. Throwing refers to the act of propelling something with force through the air by a movement of the arm and hand. Stars, in this case, are shurikens or small, star-shaped projectiles. They are traditional Japanese weapons. So, literally, throwing stars means hurling these star-shaped objects. In a figurative sense, throwing stars is often used to describe a situation where someone is putting out many ideas or suggestions rapidly. Just like how a ninja rapidly throws shurikens. It's about scattering multiple points or thoughts in a conversation or meeting, hoping some will have the desired effect. You might hear someone say, in the brainstorming session, Sarah was really throwing stars. This means Sarah was rapidly suggesting many ideas. It's a way to describe someone actively participating with lots of thoughts or suggestions. The phrase also nods to the cultural influence of ninjas and martial arts in popular media. It reflects how phrases can absorb cultural elements and evolve in language. I hope this video has shed some light on the colorful phrase, throwing stars. Remember, idioms like these are what make learning English fun and dynamic. Keep exploring, and soon you'll be throwing stars in your English conversations too. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.